In this quick video guide, I want to show you how you can use this website, which is called PXhere or PXhere. Well, this website lets you download a lot of images in really high resolution and really high quality in CC0, which means that are totally free to download and use for whatever purposes. So let me show you just how to get here from the beginning. I'm gonna type this into Google or any other search engine, and there it is. So it's pxhere.com. So you can click there and you are inside. Now you can change the language in anything you want. In this case, I'm gonna use English, which is more international than Italian. And here you can search a particular image that you are looking for. So I can type photography itself. And there you go. So you start to have a lot of really interesting images depending on your project or what you need to do here. But the most important thing is that they are totally free. So everything is really fast, really quick, and really simple. Now you can also have some additional features here. For example, if you're looking for a particular color, like yellow in this case, you can specify that. You can filter the search, and you can see here that the yellow is the most important color of these images here. So if you're looking for something which is going to be concentrated, focused on that particular color, you can use this filter, and it's really handy. And also what you can do here is arrange differently the results. So you can go here, latest or popular. You can also look for horizontal orientation of the pictures, or you can also set vertical if you're interested in vertical position of the image. So the orientation, basically the height and the width. So in this case, if you click here, you can see this is more vertical than horizontal. Now in the home page here, you can also click here for popular photos, or click here for new photos, or click here to randomize the results. So these are completely random, and you can go forward until you find something you need eventually if you are lucky. Okay, so well, once you're ready, you want to download something, just click there, and you can see here you have all the information. This is CC0 public domain, so you can use it for personal, commercial use, and also you can find many different sites and also the original site. So if you scroll a little bit down here, you can see the actual resolution. So this is the original site, which means that it's like 4K, so more than 4,000 pixels. But you can download it in all these sizes if you want. If you don't waste your time or your bandwidth or whatever, you can click here, for example, download in this smaller format, which is like HD, standard HD. So you can click there, and it's gonna ask you where you want to save it. So I'm gonna save it right here in a folder that I have just created accordingly. So I'm gonna save it, and there you go. It's gonna take just a few seconds. Now you can also share the image with your friends or your colleagues or whoever could be interested, but just by clicking here, Twitter, Instagram. You can share it also in Facebook and other social network here, LinkedIn or Pinterest, and more, you will find it there. You can also copy the link and share it as well. So that's basically it. It's pretty simple again, and fast and easy. Now you can also contribute here with your photos. You can donate to the website. You can also subscribe and see all the others information here in the website if you're interested. So that's it. And if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe also to the channel. And if you want to support us a little bit more, you can join the channel as a supporter. We're going to create more videos and more video guides and video courses in photography, graphic design, and multimedia. So please check also our other videos and courses. Again, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.